We are here on the 8th floor in one of our one-bedroom retro apartments. My name is Brandon Tidwell, and I'm the assistant manager here at the Elements in Sloan's Lake. One of our more popular apartments that we've sold over a dozen is the retro. Here you can see a big den, 16 by 12 feet. You had the view of the mountains earlier, but you could also have the choice of city views. Now, what makes these apartments retro? Let's come check it out. When the apartments were built in 1966, they were installed with steel cabinets made by the Geneva Company. We've maintained these cabinets because they're in near perfect condition. We've painted those, created new countertops, installed in new sinks with new spray hoses, brand new oven and range, as well as a refrigerator. And then over in this area, we have a small pantry and storage closet. Now, one of the things we love about our one bedrooms is the amount of storage closets we have. Here in the entryway, you have one storage closet that you can fit all kinds of boxes, bikes, skis, whatever you would like. And then this way, we have our bedroom. Bedrooms are 12 feet long by 10 feet wide, so about 120 square feet. They are carpeted. We also have these latched windows over here so you can get fresh air anytime, day or night. And then the 99% solar shade, so it creates blackout conditions so you can sleep in the morning or raise them so you can once again have amazing views of the mountains. We're going to circle back around this way and see our closet, our third closet that we have with lots of shelving space and hanging racks. And then there's another one almost just like it, a little smaller, here in the hallway for additional storage. And then the fourth and final closet is here in the bathroom, a linen closet for storage there as well. Now we have completely remodeled the bathroom with brand new vanities, new mirrors, new lighting, as well as a tankless, a two-flush toilet, subway tile shower, and all new fixtures. We hope you'll come take a tour and look at many of the retros we have to offer on the 9th, 10th, and 12th floors, and look to make us your home very soon.